Hello everyone, my name is Rhody. Today I'm gonna show you a recipe using all bread. This one is super hard. As you can see, this is sourdough bread. I had it in my pantry. I don't want to throw it away. I'm gonna show you a really nice recipe using this bread. Don't throw it away. Let's get started. The first step is to cut this bread in pieces that are not too big, not too small. Once we have the bread, just cut it like this. We're gonna set it aside and let me show you the next step. Here I have this ring bologna. You can use any other sausage of your preference. I'm gonna use this one. I'm not gonna use the whole thing, only half of it is gonna be enough for my recipe, and we're gonna cut it in pieces. And after that, I'm gonna saute in olive oil, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. After the bologna is well cooked, as you can see, it's golden brown. Let's gonna add 1 cup of diced onion. I'm gonna add 1 cup of bell pepper. This is sweet bell peppers. So if you wanna add any other chili, any other spicy pepper of your preference, you can definitely add it to your recipe. You can use jalapeno as well. It's gonna be amazing for this recipe. I'm gonna saute everything. I'm gonna mix it all until everything is well combined. I'm gonna let this to cook for at least 1 or 2 minutes. At this point, I'm gonna add green onions. This is to taste, you guys. If you don't like green onions, don't add it to your recipe. I'm gonna turn this off. And now I'm gonna set it aside until the moment I'm gonna use it. Now we're gonna mix 2 eggs with 1 can of evaporated milk. We're gonna add half of a teaspoon of nutmeg, half of a teaspoon of salt, and half teaspoon of pepper. This is brown black pepper. We're gonna add this mixture with the bread, and we're gonna mix all until everything is well combined. I love the colors of these, you guys. Look at these colors, they are amazing. I love the bologna, I love the peppers, the onions, and this smells so good. This breakfast is gonna be amazing. I know everybody at home will love it, and this is gonna be a really nice casserole that we're gonna take into the oven, and you'll see how this recipe is gonna end up being one of your favorites. So now we're gonna pour here all the mixture of eggs and milk that we have already prepared. If you like this recipe so far, give us a like, share this video with someone that would like to make it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you will support us and you won't miss any of the delicious recipes that we are preparing for you every week. You guys, this has a really good smell. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. I wish you can perceive this smell. I love the colors, and this bread is ready. I'm gonna add 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. You can use any other cheese of your preference. If you have Parmesan cheese, it's gonna be great with this recipe as well. Gruyere cheese is good too. Cheddar cheese, any cheese is good for this amazing recipe. So let's add 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. Let's mix everything until all the ingredients are well combined. You guys, this is ready to go to the oven, 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius for at least 40 minutes or until everything is golden brown and well cooked. We're gonna add some spray oil to a baking pan. This is to prevent from sticking. I'm gonna add a little bit of cilantro on top and we'll take it to the oven. If you want to make this ahead of time, you can do so. You can just put at this point aluminum foil, take it to the fridge, and next day in the morning you can just bake this, and you'll see, you guys, this is one of the most delicious breakfasts that you could ever have on Christmas Day. This is the recipe, you guys. Look at this. This is so delicious, so creamy and yummy. I like the contrast between the crispiness and the softiness of the bread. I cannot wait to try this, you guys. It's so good. The smell is just amazing. I cannot wait to try it. Thank you for watching this video. Give us a like if you like this video. Share it with someone that would like to make this recipe. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that way you can support our channel so we can keep uploading more videos like this, especially for you. See you next time. God bless you. Bye-bye.